Hello students. In previous video we have learned how to divide the number by long division method. So now today we will revise how to divide the numbers. Let us take the example 32 divided by 4. So first of all we have to arrange these numbers. How we have to arrange? I am writing here. We have to draw like this. What we have to write inside? Here we have to write the dividend, and outside we have to write the divisor here. Then we have to write the quotient above, and then what will be remain is the remainder. So in this way we have to arrange these numbers. So we will draw like this. Inside what we have to write? Dividend. So what is dividend here? 32 or 4? Yes, the number that we have to divide, that is 32. जिस नंबर को हमें डिवाइड करना है, that is the dividend. So we have to write it here 32. And what we have to write outside? That is divisor. So what is divisor here? जिससे हमें dividend को या number को divide करना है, that is divisor. So here the divisor is 4. Now what we have to do? We have to recite the table of divisor, that is 4. So recite the table of 4 till 32. So you know 4 8s are 32. So we have to write the quotient above here. So 4 8s are 32. We will write here 32. Now what we have to do? What is the next step? Here we have to subtract. So subtract it. What will left? 2 minus 2 is 0 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So here what is left is 0. So this is called the remainder. So in this way we have to divide by long division method. And we have started worksheet number 6 and we have started question number 1, and in that we have done the till D part, and today we will do some more parts of this question, E part, that is here the question is given like this: 63 divided by 9. So here 63 is the dividend and 9 is the divisor. So we have to recite the table of 9 till 63. So recite the table of 9. I hope that all of you have learned the tables by heart. So 9 7 ja 63. So 9 we will write quotient here. 9 7 ja 63. Now subtract it. And we will get 3 minus 3 is 0 and 6 minus 6 is again 0. So 0 is the remainder. And the F part, 40 divided by 8. Now here dividend is 40 and divisor is 8. So we have to recite the table of 8. 8 का table हम बोलेंगे कहाँ तक? 40 तक. So 8 5s are 40. So we'll write quotient here, and then in next step we will subtract them. 0 minus 0 is 0 and 4 minus 4 is again 0. Next part is G part, that is we have to divide 10 by 5. Now हम किसका table recite करेंगे? 5 का. एंड कहाँ तक हमने डिसाइड करना है? जब तक 5 के टेबल में 10 नहीं आ जाता. सो 5 2s are 10. We'll write quotient here and 10, and the answer is then subtracted 0 minus 0 and 1 minus 1 is again 0. This is the remainder. Now we will do the second question of this worksheet. The question is divide by long division method. here we in this question, first question also, we are dividing by long division method, but there the question is written in this form. But now here in second question, the question is written in other form. The only difference is that here the question is written in this form, 18 divided by 3. First of all, we have to arrange them, and then we have to divide by long division method. That is the only difference. So first of all, arrange them properly. So draw like this, and then what we have to write inside, that is the dividend. So what is dividend here? जिस नंबर को हमें डिवाइड करना होता है, that is the dividend that we have to write inside 18. And then the divisor, जिसका हम टेबल डिसाइड करते हैं, that we have to write outside. Now the question, both of the questions become same. Now we have to divide it in the same way as we have done the question number 1. So we have to recite the table of 3 till 18. So you know that 3 6 are 18. So we have to write the quotient here. 3 6 are 18. Now subtract it. Now 8 minus 8 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is again 0. So in this way you can divide the numbers by long division method. Now the B part, let us do few parts of it. 54 divided by 9. Now again draw like this, and then what we have to write inside, that is 54, and what we have to write is outside is divisor, that is 9. Now recite the table of 9 till 54. So 9 6 are 54. We have to write the quotient here and answer here. 9 6 are 54. Now we have to subtract it. 4 minus 4 is 0, and 5 minus 5 is again 0. So 6 is the answer. Next is C part, that is 36 divided by 6. Arrange it, draw like this. What will come inside, that is dividend, that is 36. And then divisor, we have to write outside. Now recite the table of 6 till 36. 6 6 is 36. 6 6 is 36. Now subtract it. 6 minus 6 0, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is the remainder. So what is left here is called the remainder. So these terms that we use in division that you have to learn, that is dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder, that you have to learn. Now the next part, D part, that is 70 divided by 10. 70 divided by 10. So first of all, arrange them. What will come inside? That is 70. And what we have to write outside, that is the divisor, that is 10. Now recite the table of 10 till 70. You know 10 sevens are 70. Now subtract it. 0 minus 0 is 0, and 7 minus 7 is again 0. So 7 is the answer. So in this way you can divide by long division method. Now in next video we will learn how to divide the numbers with remainders. Here the remainders are 0, but we will do the question where the remainder will not be the 0. So in next video we will learn division with remainder. Thank you.